Guangzhou Keshenglong Company is located near Guangzhou South Railway Station, specialized in manufacturing of complete carton printing and packaging machinery for about 20 years. Keshenglong has implemented and maintains a quality management system which fulfills the requirements of Standard GBT 19001-2008, ISO 9001-2008, and was awarded the certificate by CQM. All products are manufactured to high quality and safety standard, and were approved and attested as meeting the prescribed standards by CE and TUV. During the past years, Keshenglong was awarded the titles of China Appointed Manufacturer of Carton Packing Machinery, Guangdong High Advanced Technology Enterprise, China Famous Brand Packaging Products, Guangdong Famous Brand Packaging Products, Guangzhou Famous Brand, and so on. Concepts: manage with strict and reasonable rules and regulations. Bring strong cohesion to the company through advanced ideas. In Keshenglong, there is a group of excellent talented managers who devote oneself to push advanced management concepts. Care for people according to the customer's requirement. They build a set of humanized management mode. Establish motivation system to explore workers' potential and make their best. Grow and develop with the company. Keshenglong people happily immerse themselves in the work. Research and development. With World Advanced Manufacturing Technology for guiding, cooperate the Technology Researching Institution to develop high-quality products to the customer satisfaction and requirement. Recent years, according to the market requirement, Keshenglong cooperated the Technology Researching Institutions, developed several series of Flexo printer slaughter die cutter and carry into production, successfully accomplished the development strategy of each time as scheduled, and these developed products are wildly popular in the market. Quality. Competitiveness comes from excellent production capacity. Keshenglong has strong technique support and advanced process equipment, owning CNC boring and milling machine, pentahedral NC planet-type boring and milling machine, 5-meter grinding machine, and complete set of inspection equipments and excellent measurement. The whole machining and inspection process are with CE and ISO 9001-2000 requirement standard for guidance. For this reason, Keshenglong can produce the most complete series and high-quality machines and own a strong production capacity. Entering in Keshenglong, enter into the supermarket of carton packing machinery. You must find the right one that matches your requirement.